Okay, now let's take a look at the second lesson, 第二课 of book 2, and it's on page 9. The title is 我每天6点起床. I every day 每天 every day 6点 6 o'clock 起床 is an action verb to get up out of bed. 起 up 床 bed. Right? Now without further ado, let's just jump right into the first conversation. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Right. So the first conversation happens in 在运动场. 运动 is exercise or sports or workout. 场 is a field, so altogether is a sports field, a playground. Not really playground. That's a bad translation. It's a sports field. I mean, playground is more like the play area for children, right? But this one could be a basketball court, could be a track and football field, stuff like that. Anyway, A starts with 你很少生病. 生病 is a verb. 病 is ill or illness is a noun or an adjective. 生 is to give birth to or to grow, like 学生, it could be student, or 生日 birthday. 生病 is a verb, so to grow ill, to get sick. Very 少 little, so here means seldom, very few times. Little is few times, right? Then it keeps asking 是不是 be or not to be. It's another way to form a yes or no question. You use that before a statement. 喜欢运动 to like sports. 运动 can be used as a noun or a verb. Right? 我们运动吧. Let's go and play some sports. Or 我喜欢运动. In these two sentences, the first one, 运动 was used as a verb, and the second sentence, 运动 was used as a noun. And then B says, 是啊. Okay, yeah. 我每天早上 every day morning. Okay? 都要 here the word 都 is a bit strange. It works. 都 works with 每. Okay? This is a sort of a combination, a structure to means every day or everyone, all blah 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 blah. So a bit of emphasis on every one of them, all like that. Right? 要 yeah, want to or need to. 要 has three basic meanings. A, want to. B, need to. And C is going to. And there is a lot of connections if you really think about it between these three meanings. And it depends on the context what 要 really means. Is what it means. So anyway, 出去跑步. 出去 is to out go is one word, means to go out. 跑步 is another word, to jogging, to have a jog or to have a run. Then he says 你每天几点起床? 起床 again, get out of bed. How many o'clock? Every day. So every day, what time do you get up? This every day sounds a little bit strange, right? So you don't really do that in English. But in Chinese, yes. So every day, or it really means almost every day. Generally, every day means generally. Okay, so you can use it to say, for example, 他每天都工作. 他每天工作. Every day he works. So every day is not really, it could mean every day, like every other day, right? Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. or it could mean most of the days, almost every day. So that's what it means in here. 每天几点起床？ And B says 我每天6点起床. Time before action, same here. And get up 6 o'clock every day. Okay, so that's conversation 1. And the conversation number 2 is happening in the hospital. 医院，在医院。A says 吃药了吗？ You look at the picture, obviously she is talking to her. And so if she's talking to her, there's no need to say 你, right? This old lady knows that the younger lady is talking to her. So there's no need for 你. 吃药了吗? 了 means the completion of an action. So have you eaten the medicine? Now we don't have medicine, we don't take medicine, we eat medicine in Chinese. 吗? Yes or no? 现在身体怎么样? Now, health or body 怎么样? How's your body? How's your health now? Okay. And B says 吃了. You use the verb to answer the question directly. Or you can say 是的. That's okay too. 现在好多了. When you find 多 after a adjective, it means more of this adjective. Or for example, 大多了, it's bigger. 小多了, it's smaller. Okay, or there's a bit of action indicated, like grow, something has changed from smaller to bigger. So 大多了. Or something has changed between bad to good or better. So 好多了. Now A says 什么时候能出院? When can you 出 get out? Right? Here we have 出去 to go out, and here 出院 院 means 医院, right? So short for 医院, 出院 is get out of the hospital. And 医生说 said 下个星期. Okay? This sentence doesn't mean the doctor is going to talk about it next week. The doctor said next week. If the meaning, if you want to express the doctor will talk about it, will tell us next week, you need to put 说 after 下个星期. Right? So the 下个星期 is a time to modify the action of speaking, sure. But here, the 下个星期 is the content of the action speaking. That's why 下个星期 is after 说, right? So 医生说下个星期. Right. And conversation number 3, again, not playground, 操场, another way of saying sports field, not playground. A says 大卫今年多大? It's easy. This year, 多 is used before an adjective. It's different when it's used after an adjective. Right? Before, it means how big. After, we just talked about, it means more of this adjective. For example, 大多, that means bigger. Okay. Now, B says 20多岁. When you find 多 after a digit, again, it means this thing is between this digit and its next digit. The next digit of the next level of digit of 20 is 30, not 31. Okay, so 20多岁 means 21, 24, 23, 24, 25, 28, all possible. And 他多高? How tall? Again, that one is tall, 高. And B says 1.8 米几. Oh, 几 sometimes is used as the word 多, just means plus, because 几 is several, 多 is more. So that means pretty much the same thing. And 几 is maybe less than 多. That's the only difference I can think of. 1.8几 means 180 plus. And then A says 你怎么知道 怎么 how 怎么样 means how about. There's a difference. Remember that. 怎么样 and 怎么 is used before a verb to mean how. How do you know 这么多 much many 这 is this 这么 means is also this but a more abstract way of this 这么多 okay, that's like exclamation mark. 他是我同学 or 他是我的同学 These are my classmates. Now let's take a look at same lesson, conversation number 4. 在房间 room. 房间 means room. And A says 张老师 Mr. Zhang 星期六也不休息啊. The reason why we use 也 in this sentence is because it gives a sense of to or neither. If you think about it, either, neither, to, also, all of them have the same meaning. It's just neither or either is the negative to or also, right? And he doesn't have a rest on Saturday either on Saturday, you know. I mean, we understand he doesn't have a rest from Monday to Friday, but not even a Saturday neither. That's what this 也 means. 休息 is to have a rest. 不休息 right? This is not a question, really, right? There is no indication of question except the question mark. So it is a more of like a rhetorical question. He doesn't even have a rest on Saturday. Is that right? And B says, yeah, 是啊，他这几天很忙，忙 busy，我很忙。这几天 this several days, so these days, 他这几天很忙，没有时间休息，没有 have no time to rest. Of course, in Chinese we don't really have to's. 休息。Then A says, 那会很累吧？那 we know that 那 means that, and in this sentence it means then. When 那 is used at the beginning of the sentence and followed by a statement, it could mean then, right? 会 can, so that can be then. That will be very tiring. So this 会, okay, if you translate into can, then 那 can be translated into that. That can be very tiring, okay? I would suggest, I guess, or if you use it as then he will be, 会 is another meaning, means will, so indication of the future. So both ways are, I think, fine to try to explain this sentence. That would be very tiring, or then he would be very tired. Right? 累 can be tiring or tired. B says, 他每天回来 every day he comes back, and then 都 and 每 are used in the same sentence to do the structure again, right? So every day he comes back all very tired. Okay, so from this sentence I think this sentence more likely means that then he will be very tired. And B says, yes, he every day comes back very tired, all very tired. All right, so that is lesson 2, and I hope you had a good time learning it. All right, I'll see you next lesson. Bye-bye.